Dear children, welcome to the second part of the study of continents, and in this video we will discuss about the second continent in our syllabus, that is Africa. Africa is world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. It stretches from 37 degrees north to 35 degrees south latitude and 20 degrees west to 52 degrees east longitude, at about 30.2 million kilometers square, including adjacent islands. It covers 6% of the Earth's total surface area and 20.4% of total land area. With a billion people in 62 territories, it accounts for about 14.72% of the world's human population. For important lines of latitude and lines of longitudes passes through this continent, and these are the equator, the prime meridian, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The first physical feature of the continent of Africa is the plateaus. The continent of Africa is made up of series of plateaus. In fact, the entire continent appears like a huge tableland. The height of plateaus is more in south and eastern parts. The continent does not have any major mountain range. There are only two small mountain systems, Atlas in the northwest and Drakensberg in the southeast. The other highlands areas are the Ethiopian highlands and East African highlands. The highest peak of Africa, that is Mount Kilimanjaro, is a volcanic peak situated in the highland region, and this volcanic peak has height of 5,895 meters above the sea level. Mount Kilimanjaro remains snow-clad throughout the year. Africa lacks in a large lowland. The lowland area are confined to the western and northern parts. There are narrow lowlands along the coast. Sahara Desert in the north is the largest desert in the world. Namib and Kalahari deserts are located in southern Africa. The major feature of African continent is the Great Rift Valley. A Great Rift Valley is a long, deep valley with the steep sides, and it is approximately about 6,000 kilometers in length. Such valleys are formed due to the cracks or the fractures in the crust of the earth. A long chain of Rift Valley extends from the south of Lake Malawi to the Red Sea in the north and from the Gulf of Aqaba to the Dead Sea beyond it. The highest region of the Africa has a number of lakes, and the largest among these is the Lake Victoria. The other lakes in the Africa are Malawi, Edward, Albert and Rudolph. The longest river in the world, that is River Nile, it rises from the Lake Victoria. Now you know that the major feature of African continent is the Great Rift Valley. The highest peak of African continent is Mount Kilimanjaro, and the highest region of Africa has a large number of the lakes, and the largest among these is Lake Victoria. And River Nile, which is the longest river in the world, rises from Lake Victoria. I hope that this video will help you to understand and to learn. Thank you.